Developing a website concept is an important step in creating a successful online presence. It involves understanding your target audience, identifying your goals, and creating a design that effectively communicates your message. In this article, we will explore the process of developing a website concept, from research and planning to design and development. The first step in developing a website concept is research. It's important to understand your target audience and what they are looking for in a website. This can be done through surveys, interviews, and online research. You should also research your competitors to see what they are doing well and what areas they are lacking in. This research will help you to identify your unique selling points and create a website that stands out from the competition. Once you have a clear understanding of your target audience and your unique selling points, it's time to set your goals for the website. These goals should be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART. For example, a goal for a business website could be to increase online sales by 20% within the next 6 months. This goal will guide the development process and ensure that the website is designed to meet the needs of your target audience and achieve your business objectives. Next, you'll want to start thinking about the design of your website. This includes the layout, color scheme, typography, and overall aesthetic. It's important to keep in mind that the design should be visually appealing and easy to navigate. This can be achieved by using a clean and simple layout, consistent branding, and intuitive navigation. When it comes to the development of your website, it's important to choose the right platform. Popular options include WordPress, Squarespace, and Wix. Each platform has its own set of pros and cons, so it's important to choose one that best suits your needs. It's also essential to consider the scalability of your website, as your needs may change over time. Once the website is built, it's time to test it for usability. It's important to test the website on different devices, browsers, and screen sizes to ensure that it works properly and is easy to use. It's also essential to test the website's performance and make sure that it loads quickly. This can be done by using tools such as Google's PageSpeed Insights. As your website starts to take shape, it's important to consider the content that will be displayed on the site. The content should be well written, easy to understand, and engaging. It's essential to include high-quality images and videos to enhance the user experience. Also, it's important to make sure that the content is optimized for search engines, which will help to improve the visibility of your website in search engine results. It's important to consider the ongoing maintenance and update of your website. This includes keeping the content up to date, making sure that the website is secure, and monitoring the website's performance. It's also essential to track the website's analytics to see how it's performing and make adjustments as needed. In addition to the steps outlined above, it's also important to consider the mobile friendliness of your website. With the increasing use of mobile devices to access the internet, it's essential that your website is optimized for mobile. This means that the website should be responsive, meaning that it adjusts to the size of the screen it's being viewed on. This will ensure that your website is easy to use and navigate on a mobile device, which is important for providing a positive user experience. Another important aspect to consider when developing a website concept is accessibility. This means that the website should be designed and developed in such a way that it can be used by people with disabilities. This includes, but is not limited to, people who are visually impaired, hearing impaired, or have mobility impairments. By ensuring that your website is accessible, you'll be able to reach a wider audience and provide a more inclusive experience for all users. It's also important to consider the use of calls to action, CTA, throughout your website. CTAs are elements on a website that prompt the user to take a specific action, such as filling out a form, making a purchase, or signing up for a newsletter. CTAs should be placed prominently and be easy to find. They should also be consistent with the overall design and branding of your website. This will help to guide the user through the website and achieve your goals. In addition to the technical aspects of website development, it's also important to consider the marketing and promotion of your website. This includes, but is not limited to, search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, and content marketing. These strategies will help to increase visibility for your website and drive traffic to your site. It's also important to track and analyze the performance of your marketing efforts to see what's working and what's not. In conclusion, developing a website concept is a complex process that involves many different steps. It's important to conduct research, set clear goals, design a visually appealing and easy to navigate website, develop a website that is optimized for mobile and accessibility, use calls to action throughout the website, and promote and market the website effectively. By following these steps, you'll be able to create a website that meets the needs of your target audience, achieves your business objectives, and provides a positive user experience.